Stop scrolling, because this isn't just soup. This is that cozy, cheesy therapy in a bowl kind of soup. And yes, there's a grilled cheese sandwich on the side, because therapy's expensive. Let's get cooking. So this is my butternut squash. Looks harmless, right? But trust me, cutting it feels like you're auditioning for a workout video. Still, we manage, because comfort food is worth a little arm pain. Inside, you'll find those sneaky little seeds. Scoop them out like you're uncovering treasure. I'm saving half for later, wrapping it up carefully because future me deserves to relax, and the other half we're roasting today. Cut it into small chunks. Not perfect cubes, because perfection is overrated anyway. Transfer them to a baking tray. Add 1 medium onion, 2 bulbs of garlic sliced in half because bland food is a crime, and 1 red bell pepper for color and drama. Now season like you mean it: salt, crushed black pepper, rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Drizzle olive oil and mix it all up with your hands. Yes, with your hands. That's where the flavor and the fun begins. Into the oven it goes at 190 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, or until the squash gets fork tender, which basically means your fork slides through it like gossip through a WhatsApp group. When it's roasted, the aroma will make you forget your life problems. Transfer everything to a blender. Squeeze out that soft roasted garlic, the real MVP of this recipe. Add a glass of vegetable stock and blend it till smooth and creamy. Add water to adjust the consistency to your liking. Now pour it into a saucepan and stir in 3 tablespoons of coconut milk or cream or cashew cream, whatever's pretending to be fancy in your fridge today. Let it simmer on low heat until it turns into that perfect golden hug in a bowl. Serve it up with a swirl of cream or yogurt, sprinkle fresh parsley, crushed red chilies, and black pepper. And then the sidekick, a simple mozzarella grilled sandwich. Golden, melty, stretchy, the kind that makes you whisper, "Yep, this is happiness." Another day, another delicious decision. Make this soup, share it with someone you love, and tell me in the comments, what's your ultimate winter comfort food? Till then, stay cozy, stay hungry, and as always, take care and happy cooking.